One Belt and Road Initiative is the largest integration project in the world. During the realization of this project, the volume of trade between countries which are involved in this project increased from $1 trillion to $2 trillion. The amount of investments which are arranged according to this project increased dramatically, and the whole accumulation of these investments is more than investments from the Asian and European development banks together. So this is the largest integration project in the world. And I think that it is a good example for all the other countries how the international economic relations should be organized. Chinese initiatives, One Belt, One Road, shows how we can organize together the international economic cooperation on the basis of mutual investments. We are not care what kind of currency regulation is in this or that country. We are not care what is the trade regimes in this or that countries. This is the internal issue of the sovereign nations. The idea of One Belt, One Road is to combine the competitive advantages in different countries to produce more products, more services for the well-being of the population. So One Belt, One Road initiatives is an example of the future mainstream of economic international cooperation between countries. We follow this route, combine our competitive advantages in the mutual investment projects in order to improve compatibility of our economies. Russia plays a huge role in Eurasia as the largest country. Geographically, Russia occupies the very large share of the Eurasian continent, and for this reason plays a very important role in transit relations, in connections between different countries. And it is quite clear that one of the most important advantages of the cooperation between Russia and other countries of One Belt, One Road initiative is the modernization and construction of the new transportation corridors. So the largest share in mutual investments is the transportation routes, railroads and automobile roads and pipelines. The second important subject is electricity and energy. This sector occupies more than 20% of mutual investments. And of course, the construction of logistics centers, of various commercial centers, is also a very important subject of our relations, which occupy about 20% of mutual investments between Russia and One Belt, One Road initiative. One Belt, One Road initiative is concentrated on the mutual investments, and today the mutual investments is a key locomotive for the trade growth. And we see the huge growth between Eurasian Economic Union and China. Our cooperation between Eurasian Economic Union and One Belt, One Road initiative is based on the large-scale agreement about trade and economic cooperation between Eurasian economic countries and China. The results of this promotion of our cooperation in fields of investments and trade is a huge growth of mutual trade. During the last 3 years, we have annual growth more than 30% per year. And China becomes the largest partner of the Eurasian Economic Union. At the moment, the share of China in our foreign trade is about 24%, about 38% in our export, and about 18% in our imports. The volume of trade will overcome this year $200 billion. This is a huge amount. In fact, we doubled in 3 years And the previous level, $100 billion, was achieved 5 years ago. So in 5 years, we doubled our trade. This also the results of our cooperation between Eurasian Economic Union and One Belt, One Road initiative.